Every time I decide to finally bite the bullet and try Lashify, something less expensive and really good quality comes out. These are $13 Amazon lashes. You could get so many wears out of these. They are extremely full. I went with the natural/volume plus style. I'll link that in the description below. $13 for these. You have to apply the coupon, so check that little box. But they are so fluffy. They are not plastic feeling or shiny. They are matte. They have an incredible curl to them. I am so impressed. I ended up just using these with the Falscara glue. I think this is just a really great glue to use if you are a beginner to trying out DIY lash extensions. And then as you progress, you can go into the more intense glues to make them last longer. But for starting, you want to be able to take them off easily if you mess up. So I find that you're just going to enjoy doing your own lash extensions if you start with Falscara. Look how beautiful these are. They are probably the closest that I've ever seen to what lash extensions look like in the salon. So here I'm going to start by applying just the Falscara bond. Like I said, this bond is so forgiving, so if you mess up, you can just take the lash off and try again. It doesn't clump up, it just goes on very smoothly. I really, really enjoy this. When you apply the seal though, you want to make sure you don't overdo it with that part because the seal can leave just like a little bit too much of a residue. So just do that very sparingly. But this part, really easy. Also, another tip that I think might be helpful for anybody who's just starting out is to curl your lashes before you apply this. I have really, really straight lashes, so every time I put lash extensions on, they literally just poke right out and create like this weird effect. So if I curl my lashes, apply the lashes, and then apply the glue, then my lashes don't fall through the openings of the false lashes. So I've always found that I get less gaps and like weird things that way as well. So you might want to try that if that's an issue for you. Notice how much volume you get just by doing one layer of these lash extension clusters. Like typically to get volume like that, I would have to do two. Like say I was using Falscara or something, I would have to do two sets like right on top of each other to get volume like that. And the pattern is so beautiful, and the curl is like a C/D curl, so there's a little bit of both. And they just look so soft and wispy at the top and very voluminous at the base, which makes it feel like I have eyeliner on, and that is my favorite quality. Now I'm just starting on the other side and quickly just applying that bond. And after I do the bond, then I just go ahead and do a light layer of the seal. After I do the seal, then I apply the overnighter product, and that just helps it to last multiple days. So you can actually use that day after day, just reapply it day after day to keep your lashes on there for as long as possible. I can keep my lashes for like a week and a half usually, and it's because of that. Look at that end result. I'm so obsessed. They are so wispy at the top, so deep at the base. They make it feel like I'm wearing eyeliner. I absolutely love that. The curl is amazing, and they don't have to be so ridiculously long in order to get that volume. These are Wendy lashes from Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description. Also, one thing to note about these, it's so annoying to me with other lash companies how there's so much glue left on the lash from the adhesive they use to put the product, to package the product. So you have to take it off and pick that glue off. You don't have to do that with these. It's so awesome because they just have a little tacky strip that the lashes are attached to. So there's not glue on the actual lashes. Very big deal to me. So that's awesome. And they do not fall apart. I've yanked them a little bit on accident, just getting them off of the packaging, and they do not come apart. They are very well put together. There's tons of little strands on each cluster, giving you just amazing volume. They are so well made. I just cannot believe that these are from Amazon. I'm going to give these lashes a 10 out of 10 rating. I absolutely love these. These are definitely going to be my go-to lashes that I use now. I literally think that these are the best ones that I've ever tried. They even passed the Kiss Your Baby Boy test. Look at that. Beautiful.